Well, we've got a little bit of a problem. There's supposed to be a wall right here. It rotted. We've got some weeds growing, so I've got to put in a new side wall. I rebuilt these. I've got my boards laying here. So I'm going to just build this one wall back, get these weeds, some of the weeds out, and get it covered back up with black plastic so it'll kill off the weeds so we can get ready to plant in a couple of months. That didn't take long at all. All done. I'm gonna get those weeds out, pull the black paper back over. Only thing I've got to do, I've got to put a couple more screws in this board to hold it to this, and then we're done. Well, that's a wrap for that side. Didn't take long. Now I'm gonna clean out some of these weeds, flip the black paper back over it so it'll kill out any seeds that are in there. We've got 2 months till planting. Today is day of filming is actually February the 16th. So we'll be planting this at least by April the 15th, which is our last frost. So I'm gonna get her cleaned up, get it covered up. It'll be looking like this. All cleaned up, covered up. So this black plastic will heat up and kill whatever seeds are underneath. Then we don't have weeds when we start our garden. So we're done. Again, this is Ralph Mann with Mann's Adventures. If you've got comments on how to do it better, put those down below. If you found anything helpful or anything you liked, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It does help us an awful lot. And ring that bell so you'll be notified when we put out other videos. Until next time, God bless, and gardening season's coming.